Everyone, welcome back. Most beginners don't know how to clean messy data. Today I'll show you step by step to clean any dataset in R. For uploading dataset, import dataset here from Excel. So we bro student.csv file. Just import this and just I'm assigning this data set to data. Next data, what is called we are calling data means this just prints the table so we can see that what are imported. You should always look at the data before cleaning, otherwise you may clean blindly and make some wrong decisions. Missing values became na. These are the missing values. One is age and one more is the marks. And next command is get wd. This shows the a file path of the CSV file. Next, str string of data. Str means it tells how many rows, how many columns, each column name, each column data type. This shows name, age, marks, and gender. These are our data set. Next column, sum and is dot na of data. This shows, let me explain this line clearly. Column, column, sum is dot na of data. This is dot na of data means it checks every cell and ask it, is this value missing missing or not. If it is missing, it returns true. True means 1. If it is not missing, it returns false. False means 0. So, and here in our data set, Bob's age is missing and Charlie's marks is missing. So it gives age and marks 1 1. Next, this column sum means it adds the adds value column by column. So at last it returns name, age, marks and gender 0 1 1 0. 1 1 means missing. So age and marks are missing. Data of age is dot na data of age is equals to mean data of age na dot rm is equals to true. Let's see what it gives. Next we need to call data of age. It gives all age values. Let me explain these uh, line of the code. First, what is mean by data of age? This selects the age column only. it selects the age column only from the full table. Now R is focusing on just the age column. Next, e is dot na of data of age. It checks which value in the age column are missing. This is.na of data will checks the value is missing or not. If it is missing, it gives true and value is 1. If not missing, it gives false as value is 0. And next is mean of data age comma na dot rm equals to true. This line it calculates the average age. It calculates average age, but there is an important detail. If you calculate mean with na, if you calculate mean with na and r may returns na value. So na dot rm equals to true. This means removes missing value. It removes missing value. It removes missing value while calculating the mean. So this line indicates that removes missing values and while calculating the mean. Age values without missing values. So at the end we got values of the age without any missing value. So next we'll see sorry next we'll see we have one more marks any missing value. So we'll see marks data or marks same is dot na of data of marks. So for removing missing values we need to calculate the mean of data sorry marks na dot rm equals to true. Next data of marks, see here we got all the values of the marks without any missing values. So now we'll see unique values. So why? Because here alias and alias are two times we observe, so we need to get only unique values. So we use unique of so now see, let's see unique values. So data equals to unique of data. So next we need to call data. So here if you observed we get only one time alias second one is not available, only we got unique values here. So next let's see here female male and m we got, so we need to change these m to male. So gender data of gender to lower of data of gender. Next, data of gender. So here we got female, male, male, M we got. So now we need to convert these M to male. So data, gender, data of gender equals to M, and next equals to, we need to get male. Next we call the data of gender. So the output is male, it changed. So here we used two lower converts all the text to lower cases, so we used that. And remaining data of gender equals to M. This line checks every value in gender, and it asks, what it asks, if it the value is missing or not. If value is not missing, it returns the value true. If it does not miss, it returns the value false. So, and next, this line indicates that whether gender is M, it replaces with male. Next, marks. Here we got nearly 200 marks, so we need to change these or less than or equals to 100. So let's see that how it possible. Data marks, this line says that it checks each marks value and asks if it is greater than 100 or not. Let's call the data of marks. So it makes every value less than or equals to 100, depending on whether Charlie's imported value is above 100 and David is 200. Since Charlie's mean filled mark become 100 and remaining it becomes greater than 100, so it changes to 100. Next one, summary of the data. Summary of data gives a quick overview for numeric columns: minimum, first quartile, medium, mean, third quartile, maximum. What is mean by summary means? One minute. Summary. It gives a quick overview like minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, maximum. it gives like this for numeric values. This helps verify whether cleaning worked. For example, no missing values, remain gender categorized, standardized, marks no longer exceed 100. So this at the end everything is cleared and no missing values is available in our data set. Thank you.